Again, we'll try to reduce any numerator with any denominator, and remember we can do this only for the multiplication. Okay, so I have 10 and I have 5. Both of them are reducible by 5. I have 9 and 3. Both of them are divisible by 3. Let me copy down this problem. 10 divided by 5 is 2, over 9 divided by 3 is 3, times 3 divided by 3 is 1, 5 divided by 5 is 1, times 8 over 7. Okay, now I cannot reduce any numerator with any denominator, so that's why I have to just perform the multiplication. Okay, remember, anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply all numerators and multiply all denominators. So I have 2 times 8 is equal 16, over 3 times 7 is 21. This is the solution to my problem.